Hello, I'm Ross Porter. I'm the machining instructor here at Immokalee Technical College. In this machining program, we've adapted NIMS, which is the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. We also utilize other projects to help the students gain their industry certifications. There are 3 stages of projects: beginning, intermediate, and advanced. One example of a beginning project is the machinist hammer. Before the student goes into the shop, he reviews the project objective. Once he understands all the parts of the project, he then goes into the shop to make it. As you can see, this student is starting to make that hammer. He's implementing the knurling tool to start the knurling, and that's before he gets finished. From there, he'll do the rest of the part. He'll have to turn the part around. The student can assess his own progress as he works by measuring the part himself up against the project rubric. After the student has completed the project and the results are satisfactory, then I can see if they are really comprehending both the class and the shop work. Then I know my practice is making a difference with them. So we also have on-the-job training. And what's nice with the 3 semesters, during the summer, you have the opportunity to go work at a company for the whole summer. But also while you're in class, a lot of these companies, they will let you come 2 days a week, and we'll schedule for those 2 days where you get actual real-world hands-on training with them. That's what it's all about, putting the students out to work in the industry.